Namaste everyone. Today I want to show you kind of a secret weapon, a special variation of a posture known as Viparita Dandasana. It's normally done with a brick, but I'm going to show it on the edge of a couch. It can also be done on the edge of a bed if you have a very firm mattress. So you will need an edge where your sacrum that edge will be hitting you right across the sacrum, and you're going to need a very long strap, which ideally you'll be able to adjust. The strap loops under your shoulder blades and to the foot, the top foot, extending the bottom leg. So essentially you're in a back bend and a forward bend simultaneously. And the effect of this posture is it's just incredibly releasing for your lower back. So I like to use this to rebalance my back if I've been sitting for a long time. For instance, getting off a plane or out of a long car journey. This feels really good on my back. And it does train both the forward bend and the back bend. You can flex your bottom foot or leave it extended, either way. And this is more or less a restorative asana, so you can hold it for as long as you're comfortable. Just make sure you do both sides evenly. So then what I'm going to show is a variation of a kind of a self-massage technique and also a supported back bend technique. So all I'm doing is from the place where my sacrum was at the edge, I'm starting to wiggle down. And as I wiggle down, I'm going to be dropping my pelvis. And this is going to create an opening in my anterior spine, which is the back bend movement. Opening the back bend line is opening the anterior spine. And so as you can see, it's very relaxing. I'm getting kind of a massage from the edge of the couch. If you're doing this and you feel any kind of pain or discomfort, then it just means that this isn't appropriate for you at this time. But for me, this feels really nice. And like I said, it's kind of a self-massage technique. Here now I'm right in the kidney area, and I could rock to one side or the other to really massage my kidneys if I wanted. So I hope that this was interesting for you, perhaps helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.